Today we will make eggless baked creme brulee cheesecake.
Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking.
First, for making the base, in a blender or food processor, add any 8 glucose biscuit. I use Parle-G, then grind them to a powder. Now add half tablespoon brown sugar and 15 gram melted butter. Blend again to mix till you get a sand-like texture. Now transfer it to your pan. Here I am using a 4-inch pan with removable base for easy demolding. Now use either a spoon or a glass. I am going to press this mixture to form a base for our cheesecake. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 170°C for 3 to 4 minutes. Then let it cool completely. In the meanwhile, let us make cheesecake batter. In a bowl, take 105 gram room temperature cream cheese. Whisk it lightly to make it smooth. Now add 20 gram caster sugar or fine sugar. Whisk till the sugar gets dissolved. Add 38 gram cream, 25 gram condensed milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla bean powder or vanilla extract and mix them well. Now add half tablespoon of corn flour. For easy mixing, I'll add 2 tablespoons of the batter into corn flour. Mix to form a slurry. Then add this into my batter. Then using a whisk, mix everything. Lastly, add 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice and mix. Now pour the batter over the now cooled base. Give it a few taps. For baking, I am taking a large pan and put a smaller pan inside it. Then I'll place my cheesecake. Pour boiling water into the larger pan till 1/4 full or till 1 inch height, taking care not a single drop of water goes into the smaller pan. This double pan setup will ensure that my cheesecake will not come in contact with water, and baking it in a water bath will ensure that once baked, my cheesecake will not sink from the middle. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 160°C for 16 to 18 minutes. You can also cover the top of the cheesecake tin with foil to prevent browning of the top layer, but I'll bake this one without a foil. Our cheesecake is baked. It should jiggle like this once it's ready. Now I'm going to keep this back in the oven. My oven is switched off. Also, I will not close its door completely. Leave some gap and continue to bake this cheesecake like this in the remnant heat from the oven for an hour. Then refrigerate it for 8 hours or overnight before demolding. Run a knife or palette along the edges and carefully demold it.
Please give a video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Also tell me in the comment down below how did you like the recipe.
Now for the eggless creme brulee, in a pan add 125 ml whole milk, 20 gram caster sugar, 7 gram corn flour and mix. Now add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla bean powder or extract and mix. Add a pinch of salt. Now keep this on a low-medium flame and continue to cook while stirring continuously so that no lumps are formed. Cook it till it thickens. This will take about 10 minutes. Another way to check if it's ready is coat the spatula with the creme, and if you run your finger on the spatula, it should leave a clear streak behind. Now transfer it in a bowl. Add 10 gram unsalted butter and mix the butter. It will melt from the cream heat. Once mixed, leave it to cool, then refrigerate for 30 minutes before using. Mix the cooled creme brulee such that no lumps are there. You can use a hand whisk also. Now spoon it over our prepared cheesecake and spread it with the help of a spoon. Cover the top with caster sugar completely. Use a blowtorch to caramelize the sugar. Our eggless creme brulee baked cheesecake is done. Refrigerate before serving. Let us slice our cheesecake. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.